Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 13.1 question number 2. A mixture of paint is prepared by mixing 1 part of red pigments with 8 parts of base. In the following table, find the parts of base that need to be added. Here we are finding that the given mixture of paint is prepared by mixing 1 part of red pigments with 8 parts of base. For more parts of red pigments, the parts of the base will be more. Therefore, the parts of red pigments and the parts of the base are in direct proportion, right? That means here you see the more the red parts of red pigment, the more will be the base. Therefore, they are in direct proportion. If we take this, when the parts of red pigment is 4, let the parts of base be x1. When the parts of red pigment be 7, let the parts of base be x2. When the parts of red pigment is 12, let the parts of base is x3. And when the parts of red pigment is 20, parts of the base be x4. Since they are in direct proportion, we can find, here you see, that the parts of red pigment, the parts of red pigment to the parts of base are in direct proportion, Therefore, we can write, to find the value of x1, we can write x1 by 4 is equal to 8 by 1, or x1 is equal to 4 into 8, that is 4 8 32. Therefore, the value of x1 is 32. We will find the value of x2. 7. x2 by 7 is equal to 8 by 1. Therefore, the value of x2 is equal to 7 into 8, and that is equal to 56. We will find the value of x3, that is x3 by 12. x3 by 12 is equal to 8 by 1, or x3 is equal to 12 into 8, and 8 is 96. The value of x3 is 96. Then we find the value of x4, that is x4 by 20 is equal to 8 by 1. 8 by 1. Therefore, the value of x4 is equal to 20 into 8. 20 into 8, and that comes to 160. In this way, you can find the various values of x. You see, the value of x1 is 32. The value of x1 is 32. The value of x2 is 56. x2 is equal to 56. The value of x3 is equal to, the value of x3 is 96. This is 96. And the value of x4 is 160. That is 160. In this way, you can find the various values of parts of base. Here you find that the parts of red pigment to the parts of base are in direct proportion. Therefore, you can write x1 by 4 equal to 8 by 1, or x1 equal to 32, x2 is equal to 56, x3 is equal to 96, and x4 is equal to 160. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.